Today we are going to show you a room tour of the MSC Seascape. We are in room 9065 in the Aurora class suites. Come on in. When you first walk in, you have a small bathroom in here where you have just basically your essentials, a sink, a toilet, a shower, and a small shower, by the way. And that's really about it. And there's a little bit of storage area underneath and things like that, but it's just a nice small bathroom that'll get you through the week. It does have an adjoining room if you happen to be lucky enough to book adjoining rooms. We'll talk about that in a different video of some of the challenges we had. It has a closet. It has a small little safe so you can lock up your valuables and jewelry and things like that. Some drawers, things like that are in there. And if we didn't have pillows in the way, it does have a small closet as well for you to hang things up in a handful of hangers. So it does have that. It has a pull-out, really pretty large sofa that you can use for sitting on that pulls out. It has a desk area if you need to do a little bit of work or do your makeup or do whatever you need to do. It does have a small fridge. That small fridge has got drinks in it. Pay attention to the mini bar charges. So you don't want those. So it has that, a little bit of storage area for some food, a TV, some little drawers to store some things in if you have some things that you want to store, some food, some snacks and stuff like that. USB ports, all of that. It also has a TV, you know, if you plan on taking a night out or a night down time and you wanted to watch TV, it's got that. It's got a decent sized bed. With us, I don't know if every room gets this, but we got slippers. I don't think every room gets that. It also gave us a room diffuser. I don't know why we got that, but I think it's because of the class of that room that we're in, and 2 towels. So I think if it's like any other cruise, we're used to Royal. This is our first MSC cruise, but if it's anything like that, you better make sure you have your 2 towels and you turn them in at the end of the cruise. Has a large mirror, so your room looks larger. That's pretty much it. Why it's facing the bed, I don't know what MSC is doing, but they're encouraging relaxation, I think, is what they're doing. So there's that. With this room, there is a giant balcony, which I've heard will come in a lot, very handy, because I heard it's hard to get pool chairs and things like that. So with ours, we have 2 loungers, we have 2 chairs, and we have a small drink table. Or foot thing. I guess it's a foot thing more. It's a foot thing. Anyways, we have that. And it's nice because, again, if you don't have a lot of room on the deck, now you can sit on your own deck with your own lounge chairs, having your own drinks. So that's really the room tour for 9065 on the MSC Seascape. We're doing a Western Caribbean with this cruise out of Miami. And we'll show you one more room as well, which is going to be, I believe it's the Bella class room, and we'll show you that. Okay, thank you so much. Watch for more videos on the MSC Seascape. We're going to show you more rooms. We're going to show you a tour of the ship. We're going to show you a bunch of different things, as well as some of the challenges that we had. We'll talk about food. We'll talk about all that. So we'll see you with more videos. Thanks.